Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Cloudflare for site speed and security strategy, complete guide step by step clearly. Create a Cloudflare account by visiting the Cloudflare website. Click on the sign up button to begin the registration process. Enter your email address and choose a secure password. Verify your email by clicking the link sent to your inbox. Log into your Cloudflare account using your newly created credentials. Add your website by entering the domain name in the designated field. Click on that Add Site button to continue. Select a plan that suits your needs, starting from the free tier to various paid options. Cloudflare will now scan your domain's DNS records. Review the DNS records to ensure they are correct. Once you confirm, click on Continue to proceed. Update your domain's name servers as prompted. Log into your domain registrar's website. Locate the DNS settings section for your domain. Replace your current name servers with the ones provided by Cloudflare. Save the changes in your domain registrar's settings. Return to the Cloudflare dashboard and wait for the status to change to active. After activation, explore the speed section within Cloudflare. Enable auto minify for HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to reduce file sizes. Activate the Rocket Loader option to enhance loading speeds for JavaScript. Navigate to the caching section and set the caching level to standard. Consider enabling Always Online to keep your head to the firewall settings to strengthen your site's security. Configure the security level based on your site's needs. Enable bot management to mitigate unwanted traffic. Lastly, monitor your site's performance through Cloudflare's Analytics dashboard. Review the insights regularly to optimize your speed and security settings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.